Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your KYC option or selection. A lot of persons are not seeing their KYC option. Right over here is the Arichain.com, which is the official wallet website. And if you click over here at the right side there, over here, and you are seeing sign in, it means that you have to sign into the website. And in case you are seeing sign out here, it means that you are already signing. And you not seeing KYC option here is because it's not for everybody. As you can see right here, you can see ICO here. You can see ICO participation. It's not for everybody. As you can see right here, is for ICO participation. This is for the initial coin offering. So if you do not sign up for the participation or enroll for ICO for now, you don't have to bother yourself about it for now until KYC is enrolled out for the public, so everybody can participate in the Arichain wallet. You just have to concentrate on your Arichain wallet. So you just have to relax and continue with the normal farming you are doing on the airdrop, and I will keep you enrolled and posted when the KYC is enrolled out from the public. That is for everybody. Why you can't see it on your side is because you do not enroll on the ICO participation, which is the ICO sale, which is 70 million in brackets 14% with angle sales, teams and all that. When the initial coin offering was out, you didn't enroll on it. That is the reason you can't see KYC option at this place. So when it's released out for the public, for sure it will be released out for the public, then you'll be able to successfully connect your KYC successfully. Yes, so we just have to wait for Arichain to bring out the option to the public. For sure they will do that. And see over it here, some people do participate on it. So you just have to be patient and continue mining on the app side, which is your daily task and your daily quiz. You don't have to worry about the KYC. You just have to wait for some time and it will be released to the public. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.